Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We out here taking a road trip from Dallas Fort Worth to what is it called again? Hello guys, welcome to my video. We out here today. We're heading from Dallas Fort Worth to Daingerfield, East Texas. We're going to Daingerfield East Park. We out here enjoying the day, chilling out a little bit in Rockwall, taking a shoot. Oh, beautiful boat. I think I should take a picture of that. But we're gonna take a couple shots and complete our road. Here we go. For that, it's moving slow. Let me show you. We're gonna pull out this big boy. We're gonna pop, 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 pop. Okay, calm down.
Donald Duck got swag. Finally made it to the park.
Bro, when I was a kid, I remember I was in like middle school or high school, bro, and I didn't have a car. I would just ride my bike to like my homie's crib, bro. And I had like $10 to my name, bro.
And you thought that was so much at the time.
Right, I'm like, damn, I'm balling.
You can go give me a Coke and a pack of gum.
Bro, as an adult, bro, $100 don't last you as far as 20 did when I was a little
Shit,
kid.
$100 don't last me a day if I'm out of town.
That's what I'm saying. Shit is crazy, bro.
That's why I like
Easy,
camping.
bro. You take that shit for granted. Ah, man, I can't wait to be grown. Bro, fuck that shit.
Yeah, that was the dumbest shit I ever said.
This feels weird.
What is dumb? Try to get like one of these. This motherfucker upside down.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah. Something. Is it safe? Yeah, because I don't think these are meant for kids. None.
Hell yeah. I went to Austin, then I went to Houston, then I went back home, then I went to Yes. No, wait.
Yes. I live in